So hello everyone, this is Airdrop mining update. It's been a while. I came here to give you guys some updates. So today I'll be talking about the Chainbase, which we all know that we no longer have the daily claiming. So as you could see on the Discord handle, like I told you guys previously, that aside from the website that the tax daily claim and stuffs have ended, that on the Discord there are different things you could still do there that will still earn you some Z-coins. That Z-coin happens to be the coin for the Chainbase program. So this very one they just announced about on the 5th of this month or so. They talked about the loyalty program. So as you could see, the loyalty program it's on, and they've not really talked about the ending date yet, but there are some criteria that we need to meet for us to fall into this category. So you could go about your Discord and check and see the stuff that are going on around there. For the meantime, they've talked about the Zcoin metrics, that it will be replaced with the C, that's the dollar seed coin. That's going to be the token metrics later. So as long as the 10 program, as long as the program runs, this particular loyalty program, whatever, is still on. So what I would advise you to do is, even if most of you might be thinking it's late for you guys to jump into the Chainbase network, I will tell you it's not really late, despite there are some certain things you won't be able to acquire, like the daily stuff to get the box, the daily signing we did previously, we got the box. But if you focus and put more effort in the Discord aspect of it, definitely you're going to get some reward, even more than those that have even gotten stuff from the daily claim previously on the website. In case you don't know where I was talking about, quickly let me just show you the part I was talking about. So first of all, this is the X handle from the latest advert update they had on their handle, which was on the 7th here. They just talked about some partnership with some particular networks that they've been in partnership with. So there's nothing really new now on the website, on the X handle. So we're not going to waste our time much on that, because you could see Flare, they did so many partnership, and they still ask us to make some contribution or say something if we want more partnership, more network or whatever. So one thing we should understand, that the AI network is really moving, the AI space is moving so fast that it has even driven into the cryptocurrency world, and this is really a game changer and changing so many things. So aside from that, quickly I'm just going to take you into the website itself, which is the Chainbase website. And if you could see, this is the interface, like I did in my last video that talked about the end of this very claiming. Previously we had a claiming we do here daily, but still we haven't been told on the boxes we got. There's a backpack we got here. We've not been told on how to open it or what's going to be of it, so we wait for that. For now, we keep finger crossed to see what's in these boxes. So now we cannot open them, they are not yet, the key is not yet available. So that's why I said you still have the chance of jumping into this project and gaining more Zcoin. Once you start this project, please stay away from this. It's like a lucky draw, because you are coming into this project to make some points and to get some tokens. So if you come into this place to play this very game priority tax, it's like a gamble. So you might have gotten some amount of Zcoin, and you stake this Zcoin, which you have to spend 100 Zcoin to play this game. And you know what, gamble is like a casino. It's not a guarantee that you're gonna win. Like they say that you have a 50% chance to double your Zcoin, so also 50% chance of losing your entire Zcoin. So I will not advise you to really play this. I've done this before, and that's why you could see my points is still really down. So aside from that, you need to involve yourself with the task, complete this task, the Z chain, put your name on your Telegram, connect this stuff, do all these basic things you could do. And there are some little difficulties you might experience here. Most of them here are very simple to go through. Some have ended, these ones are ended, but these very ones you see here, they are valuable, so you could do it. If you get to this very one here that they talked about, this one here, it's simple. With a $1 of Ethereum, you get this done. So I could guide you on that. I think it should be this. Yeah, sorry, this verify truster media score. So this one, you need 100, you need a $1 Ethereum stuff to get the proof. It's like a proof of humanity for the security aspect of it. So that being said, once you've got it through, you've done this tax, then you get your points. For every tax you do here, you get some little point, but you need to spend more time on this Discord place. And how do you do that? Here you come in during the tax, there is going to link you to this place, so you're going to get verified, do your proof of humanity, and do everything you need to do. Then come down to the chart, general chart area of it, and try as much as possible to engage in this place. This is where you're going to grow yourself right now. Even when we're doing the daily checking and stuff there, we're so focused on this place. But right now they stopped the daily checking, so this is where we all find ourselves in this community. So we chat, we interact. There are some words you wouldn't want to use because of the bot is going to take it out, and you might get suspended for some days, or some Zircoin might be extracted from you. So there are some words you must not really use, or if you're going to use some certain words, you use the asterisk or whatever. So who reads to understand what you're trying to say? So this is it. We've been told that the TGE was going to be in the first quarter, which is already in the March we are, but I strongly doubt if it's really going to be like that, because they haven't really said anything presently. Rather, there's some things going on, and also there's a task on the creative part of it. Let's say where is that very part? Creative. Okay, yeah, here, creative. So if you click on this creative place, you're going to see that we are given the task to design a logo for the Chainbase and upload. So you could see many people uploading theirs. I have done a particular one, and if I could click on this place here, so I have to first of all go to my X and try to upload it on my X before I bring it down here. But still, I could just do it here and it's fine. But I think it's preferable for me to upload it on the X, then drag the link down to this place. So let me just still do it here, and I'll do it on my X later. So you see, so this was a file I designed myself with the help of an AI. So I made sure that the Chainbase was displayed on it. So this is it. So I'm just gonna I would have loved to say something, but I think it's okay. So I'll just upload it like that. So it has been uploaded. So this is my own piece I just did with the Chainbase stuff on it. So I don't know what we're going to be giving to me, but I'll still have to try a way to make sure I upload it on my X and import it here like every other ones I've been doing. You could see it's from the X. So I will do that today to make the task completely completed. So for what I've just done now, I think it's not completed, so I'll just do that. So that being said, this is what you just need to do. So there's an alert here. Let me see. You always make sure stay important, whatever. This is an update that came in. So you can see important announcement. Dear developer, the sync features we officially transition from beta to production on March 30th. So end of this. So you could see with this is then trader. I think this thing is still going to go into the second quarter, but or first after the end of first quarter, first month, it might just start on April or whatever. So 30-25 p.m. This feature will be exclusively available to developers and enterprises user. For more details and pricing information, please visit the price page. So this is something, because with the help of Chainbase, you have the opportunity of using it to design the Web3 platform. There's so many stuff you can interact with this very project, and aside from getting this airdrop, the Gatsmans, even the Monad they talk about, they have involvement with this very Chainbase project. Because the last community meeting we had, I remember the Monad developers and Monad people behind Monad, they were all here and they spoke to us more even before Monad was even launched and talked about. They already told us that it was going to come up, so we knew, and we were all waiting for the Monad testnet to come up, which is already on, and most of you will be doing that. I'm going to do a video about that later, so it's a little bit complicated, but I'll touch about that later for those my subscribers to get themselves started. I'll help them in any way I can. So this is it, and this is all you just need to do. Just take your time, interact with this place. When you come here, you always come to this GM, you always try to greet good morning. Or the more you communicate here, the more you get some points. So you just look for anybody. It doesn't have to be, you could start the conversation and you're good to go. Start the conversation, you're good to go, and that's it. So then there's some certain things you need to know, because the more you interact with this project, the more you get this very stuff. Like you see these rows. So I don't even have much of them, but these are rows I've gotten in my previous time, but I need more rows, so I need to be really active to get more rows. So this is what it is, and this is how you go about it. Just communicate, ask questions. Some people will be there to help you, whatever you you don't understand, you say it here, they help you. You crack jokes, but mind your kind of joke to crack. Then when adding your nationality, if you belong to any of the nationality you add, you could go to that community session there. They're going to create for you, and you're going to have some conversation there with those very people in your language or whatever dialect you intend to use. So the announcement is something you should always check up for, because they always give us an announcement on what's new and what's coming up and so forth and so forth. So as you could see, this is an announcement that was here. The last announcement was February 12th, so we haven't really gotten any recent announcements lately. So the welcome side, you come here, you just say something, welcome, click on this, like all this stuff, just click some of them. All this together makes you verified. Then you come to the role claim. The role claim of it, you see stuff like this. Developer, try to click them. They are rows, so you're going to claim these rows. You're going to claim some of these rows here. So for you, when you join, they're going to give you some of these rules. You're just going to join them, and whenever you see this kind of stuff displayed, click them. Automatically it gives you that row. So that's what it is, and that's how it is. And I'm going to give you more updates on the Chainbase, so you know what to do and how to go about it. Mind you, you see how to make your referral. You get your referral link by clicking on this top place here, and it takes you to your referral page where you copy your referral link and share to your friends. So do not forget to click the like button, like I said, and don't forget to make comments, ask questions, whatever you want to ask, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, those who haven't really gotten into this project, so they can start. Even if at this nick of time they can still come in, because there are so many things we need to do. As you could see, there are some stuff that are still coming, new passive, so all these need to come into play since they have them on their platform for us to come to an end. But there's a notice I want to tell some of my referrals. I don't really to focus on my referral, on the referral point or whatever it is, but I noticed some of you that really joined this project, you guys are not really doing some certain things because your rewards are not really counting. You see, it's just 0 0, so it means you guys are not really interacting with this very project. So that's a very big for letdown. I'm surprised. So if you know you're one of those referrals here, try as much as possible to, I'm not concerned about the earning, but just for you to get something. But it appears you just click the link, you just came in. Maybe you're confused, you don't know what to do or how to go about it. Like I said, always leave a link. And I also have a Telegram channel down in the description. You can see the Telegram link there. Try to join the Telegram link, and you can ask your question directly from there, and I can directly respond to you, so we don't get mixed up on the chat page. So you join the Telegram group also, and I'll see you in the next video. Click your like, subscribe, share the video, and don't forget to comment. Okay, I see you in the next video. Have a nice day.